Hello lovely audience, welcome back to this new quick tutorial of Quick Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you archive chats into your WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your WhatsApp app. Firstly, you just simply have to open your WhatsApp application, and after opening the application, just go to chat section, and there you just simply have to find the chat that you want to archive. Step 2. Archive the chat. Now after coming to your chat section of WhatsApp, just simply tap for a while in the chat that you want to archive, and after tapping, this button will appear into top of your WhatsApp. You just simply have to click into that button in order to archive your chat, and after doing this, your chat will be successfully archived. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.